Hey guys, it's Mr. Bugzan. I hope you have a good week. I'm here to do a quick review on the book Code Talker. Some questions to ask before you maybe want to take the AR test. How did Ned, our main character, feel after they cut his hair and took away his clothes? He felt naked and then afraid. Not the TV show. What did Ned learn after Georgia Boy asked him to read the letter to him? He learned that maybe whites aren't born knowing everything. Why did the Navajos do so well at boot camp? When they were first going to boot camp, why did they do so well? Because everything they were asking the Navajos to do, the Navajos already do. The Navajos do it on their daily life. Learn how to shoot, ride, march, walk, spend time outdoors, except for swimming. When Ned was learning how to be a code talker, what sign did he get that said, I must be destined to be a code talker? I think it's my duty to be a code talker. Do you remember? The first word they learned was ant, which was Ned's nickname, Ant, because he's small and strong. What did the code talker start saying at the beginning of every message? So they would know it was not the Japanese. What did the code talker say at the beginning of every message so they know it's not the Japanese? They started saying the states Arizona or New Mexico. Why did Stormy think the Navajo were so strong when they were walking through the desert, such strong soldiers? Because they weren't drinking out of their canteen, they were drinking the prickly pear juice from the cactus plants. Let's see. What message was relayed or conveyed about man traps? What was the message about man traps? Start talking about man traps. That was that there were booby traps on equipment and other articles, like clothing, guns. And so when the Americans would steal the enemies that died equipment, they would get blown up. Remember when they found Charlie dead, why did they put his dog tag in his mouth and tie his head up? You remember? So his dog tag would not get lost. When they went to the island of Okinawa, what did Ned and the other Marines find inside the caves that made them really, really upset? Remember, they found food that the Americans had shipped to them. So the Americans had shipped them food, and they were mad because they were using our own food to keep their soldiers healthy and strong to beat us. Why did Ned's family say he had an enemy way? Said, Ned, you got an enemy way. And he had to get rid of his enemy way. It was because he was wounded, not in his body, but in his mind. He was wounded in his mind and was out of balance. So they said you need to take some time to heal your mind and get your life back in balance. I believe that's all we got to review. I hope you enjoyed the book, Code Talker. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. And I'll show you one good funny face. Fingers on ears. Thumbs and mouth. Next finger, eyes. Other finger, nose. Have a Merry Christmas. Good luck. Can't wait to see how you do on Code Talker. It's worth 9 points. Have a great day.